So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to deposit crypto into your account here on BTCC. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom left and select the home icon. Once you're here, either select the blue deposit button or right below that there's this bar, press deposit, but I'll just go ahead and select deposit here. Once you're here, you can select a fiat deposit, but in this case you have crypto assets, you want to deposit crypto. Go ahead and select that option. Then once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and select the crypto. So if you just want to do Bitcoin for this example, I'll do Bitcoin. It'll then show you the currency as well as the amounts. And if this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom and press deposit to proceed this way with depositing crypto into your account. So that's how you guys can deposit crypto into your account here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.